Air India 1950, Denver altimeter 3003. You can expect vectors for the visual approach runway 17 right.
Expect visual 17 right, 3003, Air India 1950 heavy.
Denver Center, good evening, at 3716, level 370.
United 3716, Denver Center, welcome. Walker 1550, radar contact lost. Southwest 4122, descend via the Logger 3 arrival, Denver landing south.
Descend via the Logger 3 arrival, landing south.
Center, Southwest 2145 with an unusual request.
Go ahead with your unusual request.
We'd like to enter a hold at 20.
Say again, you got off? Southwest 2145, say again, you got cut off.
We need to go to the bathroom and take a number 2, so we'd like to enter a hold at 20,000 feet.
Alright, stand by just a second here. I'll put you in a published hold.
Thank you.
That was unusual.
That's very unusual.
Alright, Southwest 2145, cleared to MNARC. That's Mike November Alpha Romeo Kilo. Fly the published hold.
MNARC fly published hold, Southwest 2145. Will that be left-hand turns or right-hand, sorry?
The published is a left-hand turn.
Perfect, thank you.
Yep, it's on the arrival chart.
Don't forget your wife.
Would you like to stop at 20,000 feet forward, Southwest 2145?
Southwest 2145, yep, that's within the altitude restriction on MNARC.
Perfect, I'll see you in 10-5 minutes.
Roger, report back. Walker 1550, if you're back with me, Salt Lake Center is offline, radar service terminate, free change approved, have a good flight.
Yeah, for some reason the network kicked me, so I'm logged out of Congo, you can call me.
Yeah, have a good night. Lakejet 515, Denver Center, you up? Roger, Lakejet 515, ident, please.
Ident.
Lakejet 515, radar contact 8 miles west of E-Page, VOR 370, welcome. And Lakejet 515, just for planning purposes, you can expect to cross skier at and maintain level 200. Air India 1950, turn left heading 260, descend and maintain 9,000.
Left 260, 9,000, Air India 1950 heavy.
WAT 130 at 11. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 13,000. Ceiling 2000 broken. Temperature 12. Dew point -8. Altimeter 3003. Expect ILS, R9, or visual approach. Runway 7, runway 16 right, runway 16 left, runway 17 right. Multiple R9 Zulu approaches in use. Notices to air mission. Bird activity vicinity airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information Foxtrot.
Air India 1950 heavy turn left heading 200 on the rollout. The field's going to be at your 11 o'clock and 20 miles report field sight.
Left 200, and we'll let you know when actually traffic. Airport in sight, Air India 1950 heavy.
Roger, Air India 1950 heavy, fly heading 200, join the final approach course, cleared visual approach, runway 17 right.
Cleared visual 17 right, Air India 1950 heavy.
From the flight deck, we started our initial descent. We expect to be on the ground in about 20 minutes or so. Thank you for flying Southwest Airlines.
Denver Center, Southwest 2145 is back, and I see we flew through our altitude. We're going to be at 17,500.
Southwest 2145, welcome back. Descend via the T-bar 3 arrival.
Send me the T-bar 3 arrival, Southwest 2145.
Southwest 2145, Denver altimeter 3003. You can expect the RNAV Zulu runway 16 right approach from Cliff.
RNAV Zulu 16 right, from Cliff, Southwest 2145.
Yeah, 3716, descend via the T-bar 3 arrival, Denver landing south.
Descend via the T-bar 3, landing south, United 3716.
Air India 950 heavy, I have the airport in sight.
Ma cosa ha autorizzato il viso? C'è autorizzato, non lo so.
Air India 1950 heavy, contact Denver Tower 124.3. See ya.
124.3, and you have a great evening, Air India 950 heavy.
You too, sir.
Center, Southwest 133, 7,400, climbing via SIP.
Southwest 133 Denver Center, radar contact, climb maintain level 360, clear direct Baylor.
360 direct Baylor, 133.
Southwest 420 Denver, altimeter 3003. You can expect vectors for the visual approach, runway 17 right.
2003 is 1 right. Order house Southwest 420.
Denver Center, good evening. Skywest 5336, level 2.
Skywest 5336 Denver Center, welcome. Southwest 4122 Denver, altimeter 3003. You can expect vectors for the visual approach, runway 17 right.
3003, expect vectors for visual 17 right, Southwest 4122.
American 274, contact Minneapolis Center 133.4. See ya. American 274, Denver Center.
American 274, go ahead.
American 274, contact Minneapolis Center 133.4. See ya.
33.4, see ya, American 274.
Southwest 2145 at Cliff, cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 16 right approach.
At Cliff, clear for the RNAV Zulu approach, runway 16. Was that 16 left or right?
16 right.
16 right, RNAV Zulu, Southwest 2145.
Denver Center, hello, United 1620, 6,500, climbing via SID.
Okay, 1620 Denver Center, good evening. Radar contact, climb maintain level 300, clear direct to Staker. Excuse me, clear direct solar.
Climb maintain level 300 and direct solar, United 1620.
Okay, 3716 Denver, altimeter 3003. You can expect the RNAV Zulu runway 16 right approach from Cliff.
3003, it looks like the RNAV 16 right from Cliff. United 3716.
Southwest 420, turn left heading 260, descend and maintain 9,000 vectors for the visual.
Left heading 260, that's the night number, Southwest 420.
Southwest 2145, contact Denver Tower 124.3. See ya.
24.3, thanks for the help today. Have a wonderful rest of your night. See ya. Southwest 2145.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we make a final descent to Denver, please go laptop computers and similarly sized electronic devices. Small portable electronic devices may continue to be used in airplane mode but must be secured for the remainder of the flight.
Lakejet 515, cross skier at and maintain level 200.
Leaving the area emergency, please raise your seat back and take
Denver Center, Southwest 4132, climbing out of 6.7, checking in.
We will come by one last time to pick up pups and...
Southwest 4132, Denver Center, radar contact, climb maintain level 390. Southwest 4132, radar contact, climb maintain level 390.
390, Southwest 4132.
Southwest 420, turn left heading 200 on the rollout. The field's going to be at your 1 o'clock, 20 miles from Port Field site.
Left heading 220,
Southwest 4122, turn left heading 260, descend and maintain 9,000.
Left 260 to 17, 9 powers at 4122.
Center, good day, Southwest 221, 7,000, climb visit.
Southwest 221 Denver Center, good afternoon or good evening. Radar contact, climb maintain level 370.
Roger, roll climb maintain level 370, Southwest 221.
Southwest 420 flight, present heading showing the final approach course cleared visual approach runway 17 right.
Keep on heading to join final approach course cleared visual runway 17 right.
Southwest 420, contact Denver Tower 124.3, happy landings.
124.3.
Yeah, 3716 at Cliff, cleared RNAV Zulu runway 16 right approach.
At Cliff RNAV, for cleared RNAV Zulu 16 right, United 3716.
At 1821 Denver Center, welcome. Southwest 4122, turn left heading 200 on the rollout. The field's going to be at your 10 o'clock, 20 miles, report field in sight.
Left 220 will report when we have been clear.
And welcome for good morning, Lufthansa liner 21 Federal from inform speaker.
Lufthansa 931 Denver Center, good evening, ident please. Lufthansa 931, radar contact 78 miles north of the Gillette VOR 3 I guess you lost your altitude. Give me a second. 400, welcome.
Double center, Southwest 4122, you have the airport.
Southwest 4122, flight present heading, join the final approach course, cleared visual approach runway 17 right.
Present heading to join the final approach course 17 right.
Southwest 4122, contact Denver Tower 124.3. See ya.
Tower 124.3, Southwest 4122. Denver Tower, good day, Southwest 4122, visual 17 right.
Southwest 4122 Denver Tower, runway 17 right, clear to lane number 2, wind 130 at 11. You're following a company there about a 2.5 mile final.
Alright, 17 right, clear line, Southwest 1.
American 1404, RNAV to Raider, runway 17 left, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Raider, clear for takeoff on 7 left. American 1404.
Over 2791 made a wrong turn. Sorry about that.
Oh, Walker 2791, it's no problem, just get back to Whiskey out there, you're fine.
Tower 3716 on the RNAV, Zulu 16 right.
United 3716 Denver Tower, runway 17, correction, runway 16, we cleared to land.
Cleared land 16 right, United 3716.
Delta 8734 Super, follow the Walker A380 there, heading to your, just ahead of you.
Delta 8734 will follow A380.
Southwest 420, welcome to Denver exit. Right, able taxi to the ramp via Mike, have a good night.
Okay, right here, we'll taxi via Mike
American 1404, contact center 127.65, have a great flight.
127.65, American 1404, good night.
Walker 2791 Super, hold short of Whiskey Bravo.
Hold short, Whiskey Bravo, Walker 27.
Southwest 290, RNAV to tight, runway 8, clear for takeoff.
RNAV tight, clear for takeoff, runway 8, Southwest 290.
Denver Tower ready for taxi, Korean 2363 Super.
Korean 2363 Super, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha November, Golf, Whiskey Alpha, Delta.
16 right via Alpha November Golf Whiskey Alpha Delta, Korean 2363 Super.
Actually, Walker 2791 Super, you can pull up, hold short of Delta 5.
Hold short, Delta 5, Walker 27.
Reverse. Idle.
Southwest 4122, right when able, taxi to the ramp via Mike. Have a good night.
When able to the ramp
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Denver. Please remain seated.
Hawk to it.
Fasten seat back and tray cable in their full upright and lock.
Southwest 290, contact center 127.65. Have a good flight.
Captain turns off the fasten.
Over to Denver Center on 12765, Southwest 290, good night.
Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out.
United 3716, are you going to one of the Bravo gates?
Yeah, we're looking to go to Bravo 52 if it's open.
United 3716, it is. Continue down the runway, turn left onto Whiskey Bravo, and then Foxtrot Bravo Sierra to the gate.
Okay, we'll go all the way down to Whiskey Bravo, and then Foxtrot Bravo Sierra to the gate, United 3716.
Walker 2791 Super, you can continue your taxi.
We know you have a choice when you fly.
Can you taxi, Walker 27?
Southwest Airlines.
Korean 2363, just be advised, looks like your transponder decided to turn off.
Yep, setting it back on, thanks, Korean 2360.
Attention all aircraft, Denver departure, this information, Tango is now current altimeter 3006. Korean 2363, hold position.
Holding position, Korean 2363.
United 3716, cross Foxtrot, make a right turn onto Golf to Bravo Sierra.
Okay, we'll cross Foxtrot and then take a right on Golf to Bravo Sierra, United 3716, thanks.
Actually, United 3716, cross Golf as well. You can taxi on the line that's just inside the ramp area, which will be hotel.
Okay, we'll cross Golf also, and then we'll take Hotel to Bravo Sierra, United 3716.
Korean 2363 Super, you're on Foxtrot right now. You're pointed northbound, just to let you know where you are.
Yep, yeah, sorry about that. I'll get back on Golf. Korean 2363 Super.
Korean 2363 Super, you can actually go straight ahead, take the next left. The next left turn will be Whiskey Bravo, and then a right turn onto Delta.
Whoa, Whiskey Bravo Delta, Korean 2363. Sorry about that.
Our Southwest 1849, ready for push start.
Southwest 1849 push, Denver Tower push and start is approved. Push straight back, stop the first line.
Alright, push approved. Straight back to the first line, 1849.
Denver Tower, good evening. 2383 with information Tango requesting push and start.
Delta 2383 Denver Tower push and start is approved. Push straight back, stop the first line.
Push straight back, stop the first line, 2383.
Walker 2791 Super, wind 140 at 12, RNAV to foams, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV to Boeing, cleared for takeoff, Walker 2791.
2383 is ready for taxi.
Delta 2383, runway 17 left, taxi via Bravo Sierra, Mike, Echo Delta.
Bravo Sierra Mike Echo Delta for runway 17 left, Delta 2383.
Delta 8734, super, runway 16 right, line up and wait.
Delta 8734, line up 116 right.
The boarding requested.